Good day, everyone. So, what are we going to make today? Since it's special day and it's ECQ, we're going to make our very own special pizza. Okay, a while ago I made this crust. It's just flour, water, pinch of salt, and a little olive oil. So, simple crust. Okay, hand molded. Now for our toppings, we have eggplants, okay, green onions, and then tomatoes, bell pepper, Hungarian sausage, boiled egg, and spam. Okay, so of course, pizza will not be that delicious without cheese. Okay. Since it's a special day, we're going to put cheese. Okay. Cheese sticks on the edges of the pizza. By the way, I'm using this quick melt cheese. I can't afford that parmesan. Okay, just the affordable quick melt cheese. During this ECQ, we can just use what's available in the supermarket. Okay? Okay, now we're ready to put our toppings. So it's pre-baked. So first, we're going to put our tomato sauce. Okay? Tomato sauce. Just have to, pizza sauce. You have to spread it. Okay? By the way, I'm planning to make one all meat and then the other one is a vegetarian pizza. That there's a choice, okay? There's variety. Now, the bigger one is meat lovers pizza. So first, we have to put a little cheese so that the toppings will stick to it. Okay? We'll add the Hungarian sausage. Hungarian sausage. Okay. Then we'll add some spam. Oh, it's a fully loaded, protein-rich pizza. Of course, we have to add some onions because pizza is not that delicious without onions. These green onions. Okay. Pepper. And then on top, we'll put the boiled egg. Boiled egg. Okay. And last, we'll put the cheese. Okay. Then we'll move on to the next, our vegetarian pizza. Okay. Here we'll add our eggplants. Spread all over. I love eggplants. Aubergines in other places. Okay, we'll add the tomatoes first. Next to this, tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Actually, a while ago, I watched Italian Parma, Pizza Parma. So that's where I get the idea. Then We'll add the green and red bell pepper. Okay. Last, on top, the onions, the green onions. Then we'll just bake this until we melt the cheese for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, and last, the cheese. Okay. Yesterday I went to the mall. I saw it's 499 for 2 boxes of pizza. With this, I only spent maybe 300 for 2. Not bad. Okay, now we're ready to bake. And this is our finished product.
Wala pa rin, ano ba?